The true hallmark of an outstanding tiny home is encapsulated by its defining ethos, elegant practicality leading to profound contentment. These compact structures represent a significant, deliberate shift toward a more mindful way of life, forcefully arguing that genuine opulence resides not in vast areas of flooring, but in meticulously considered design and a harmonious dialogue with the surrounding environment. An exploration of such a residence immediately unveils an atmosphere where every component has been critically evaluated for its utility, cultivating a deep sense of uncluttered peace and tranquility that is often conspicuously absent in larger, more conventional houses burdened by excess. This core principle manifests in interior spaces that defy their diminutive scale, frequently feeling surprisingly voluminous and airy. This effect is typically achieved through architectural choices like soaring ceiling heights, the flood of natural illumination pouring in from expansive windows, and a crisp, refined minimalist aesthetic. Furthermore, the frequent incorporation of organic materials and comforting, earthen color palettes helps to forge a grounded, restorative setting, a deliberate and welcome contrast to the often frenzied rhythm of modern existence. The deep, satisfying contentment inherent in this lifestyle flows directly from its inherent graceful simplicity. By making the bold decision to dramatically decrease their physical footprint, tiny home occupants, such as the inspiring couple Ash and Jacob or the determined individual Bryony, frequently unlock an extraordinary degree of freedom, a liberation that is simultaneously financial and deeply personal. This genre of dwelling serves as a brilliant example of clever spatial integration, where features that might seem mutually exclusive like a lavish, spa-quality primary bathroom or a fully equipped, dedicated workspace are ingeniously accommodated within the restricted area through multifunctional elements and innovative architectural solutions. Moreover, a critical factor in the success of these exceptional homes is their strategic, picturesque placement within breathtaking landscapes, whether they are perched commandingly on a hill commanding panoramic vistas or discreetly nestled within the quietude of an ancient forest. This intentional siting, seamlessly merged with the blurring of lines between the indoor and outdoor spaces, effectively converts the entire property into a private, deeply restorative haven. Consequently, the natural world outside ceases to be merely a view and transforms into an integral extension of the core living area, ensuring the daily routine is not just functional but genuinely uplifting and exceptionally pleasurable. Ultimately, the magnetic draw of touring one of these beautifully simple, wonderfully enjoyable tiny homes is rooted in the powerful narrative it tells, a compelling chronicle of resilience, inventive resourcefulness, and the courage of making conscious life choices. Whether the story involves a pair like Ash and Jacob successfully bypassing escalating housing expenses by embracing a fully self-sustaining off-grid existence, or an individual's journey like Bryony's toward realizing a long-held dream through persistent effort and meticulous planning, these structures transcend mere architectural forms. They stand as tangible monuments to a purposeful, handcrafted life. This deliberately streamlined approach to design, distinguished by the rejection of superfluous additions and a resolute prioritization of enduring quality over sheer volume, powerfully demonstrates that choosing a simpler life is not a concession. Instead, it is a gateway to a more profoundly meaningful, intensely focused existence. The final presentation and meticulous aesthetic, frequently recalling the perfectly curated elegance of a high-end design board, serves as proof positive that peak functionality and high art can coexist harmoniously, leaving every observer with an inspiring vision of a sustainable, aesthetically rich, and truly complete form of minimalist living. The definitive characteristic of an exceptional small dwelling is its underlying philosophy, sophisticated efficiency as the catalyst for profound personal peace. These minuscule residences champion a forceful, intentional rejection of consumerism, strongly asserting that true high-end living is not measured by expansive floor plans but is instead born from scrupulous design decisions and an intimate dialogue with the external environment. Stepping inside one of these homes instantly reveals an atmosphere where nothing is accidental. Every fixture and feature has been rigorously vetted for its function, fostering an overriding sense of untroubled clarity that is virtually unattainable in the chaotic sprawl of oversized, traditional houses. This central tenet is masterfully translated into interiors that spectacularly belie their actual dimensions, often feeling remarkably bright and spacious. Such an illusion of scale is expertly crafted through key architectural features, notably dramatically elevated ceilings, a powerful influx of ambient light facilitated by oversized windows, and an overarching clean contemporary minimalist aesthetic.